want to go home. And they are telling us, first of all, they increase the price of taxi. Who pays almost 2 million naira to go back to Poltava, a 2-hour journey? Anybody that is hearing this, from Kaduna to Abuja, 2 hours, you are telling me to pay 1 million naira. That is not all. We said, okay, we are going to pay it. Now you have locked us in this hostel. Why? No, seriously, guys, what did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? We just came to study medicine. We haven't showered in 3 days. Yes. There's no light in the hostel. There's nothing. We cannot. Everything is running out. This place is not safe. Every single day, some of us have mental trauma. We can't even hear doors closing without someone running. Yes. Someone is moving a box and we are running. It's not fair on us. We have.
At any amount, we do not care what they have left. Now they have decided to go and block that route. At this point, I don't know what is going on, and we are not going to be used as bait. Please, let us go. Please, let us go. We do not want to be a part of your war. Please, thank you very much.